Thank you for buying the Eccentrica lamp by Texlum. Here's what you will receive. This is the box. I will show you the content and everything you need to know to operate the lamp. This is a service box. It contains an operating manual, the charger, USB charger, and the charging cable, which has a magnetic plug. The main element of the lamps are the smart cap with the smart touch sensor, the diffuser, and under the diffuser is what you need to turn on initially, the switch that cuts the battery off. You don't need to switch that off every day, just if you store the lamp for long. The magnetic plug, here's how it works. You connect it magnetically and that's it. Connect the USB to the charger to the socket, and the magnetic plug under the lamp. Once fully plugged, the smart cap will start blinking to indicate that the lamp is charging. Once the lamp is fully charged after a few hours, the light will stay still. Once fully charged, it is time to operate the lamp. So unplug the wire just by pulling on the side and use the smart cap to turn the light on and off. The battery autonomy is of over 10 hours. Before it will turn down automatically and shut off the lights, the smart cap will start blinking for about 10-15 minutes to warn you that it is time to plug the lamp. You can plug the lamp and keep using it, or just store it and charge the battery and start over again. The lamp is water resistant. A few drops of rainwater will not damage the lamp. If it does get wet, make sure you switch the battery switch off before you wipe the lamp clean. Very gently on the fabric, like this, and wipe the whole metal and the cap dry. And this will also clean the lamp. And once dried, the lamp is ready to be stored. Thank you, and enjoy your Eccentrica lamp.